We've seen phenomenal gas prices here in mid-Michigan for the last several weeks. As a matter of fact, prices have dipped under $3 per gallon. Is that great news? Well, maybe not. Let's learn a little bit more about this from David Taylor, who's an oil and gas expert for 1320 WILS and Fox News Radio. David, how are you?
I'm well. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. So, lower gas prices, is it all good news?
It's kind of a glass full, half empty type thing. It just means that we're doing very well in the United States, doing a lot of production, getting our supply up. But then you've got so many crazy things going on around the world that it's not always the best thing when oil prices drop and gas prices go down as well. So you got to look at it positively and negatively.
All right, what's the negatives?
Negative is, let's say, for example, I'm in Texas, and I was just at the oil show in Midland, Odessa, and people are around there, speculating, will we keep producing at this rate? So that means jobs, and that means investment dollars and economic benefit. So, like, for example, my company, Crude Punters, does a lot of investing into drilling. It does it for services. So there's thousands of jobs that are at stake if these things don't stabilize anytime soon. But the positive side is you have a lot of people who are going to have some extra money in their pocket this holiday season, be able to do a little bit more and feel like they got themselves a little tax break. So there's good and bad.
How low can prices go without impacting the ability for oil companies to get past the financing to open new drilling projects?
Okay, great question. So if you're an Exxon or you're a BP, it's pretty expensive. You need to be running at about $80 a barrel for it to make any sense. If you're in the smaller fields and you're more of an independent producer, we could probably settle in at around $65 a barrel for it to say, okay, no longer can we pump or do anything or go out and explore new projects.
Speculation, I know, can be challenging, but from what you can tell, David, what can we expect for prices for the rest of fourth quarter 2014?
I think fourth quarter is probably going to stay right around where it is. I think you're going to see a little creeping up over the next month or two, but we have OPEC's big announcement, and their meeting is November 27th, so we won't really see any shift of supply or price changes that are going to be significant during this fourth quarter. But I think Q1 of next year you'll start to see, we're going to see volatility, that's for sure, but I think it'll be relatively around the $80 mark, maybe a little bit higher.
David Taylor is an oil and gas expert for 1320 WILS and Fox News Radio. Thanks so much, David.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.